Hey folks, JD here, and today I thought we'd have a little look at waypoints. So we were going to have a little look last time, LVC kicked in, and then before we knew it, we didn't have any waypoints. So I've come to a much better place to do it anyway, which is the field. Everybody knows the field. So today what we're going to do is we're going to activate waypoints. I'm going to take her up and then we're going to see exactly how well these waypoints work. We've got full battery in the transmitter, full battery in the quad. We should be good. So for now, what I'm going to do is take her up to a height of 10 meters. There we are, 10.2, perfect. And then from that point, then we are going to hit the waypoint button, which is the third icon in on the left. With that, then a map shows up, right? So it's always good to position yourself in the same position as the quadcopter. So the quad is pointing towards the bottom of the field and I'm pointing towards the bottom of the field. And now you can pinch to zoom out with your little fingers there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one waypoint, two waypoint, and then back to me, right? And then if I click send, tap flight, off we go, and then the quadcopter will go. Be careful, you have to be at an altitude in order to do it, otherwise you are going to come a cropper when you figure out that the quadcopter just takes off and does not adjust its altitude. So actually 10 meters isn't that high, but I know the field has got absolutely no obstructions. We've hit the first waypoint. Now the quad flies over as fast as it can. You can just see it there flying over to the second waypoint. When it hits the second waypoint, then that waypoint goes green. It turns around and then it comes flying. There we are, second waypoint hit, and then it'll turn around, which is exactly what it's done, and it's coming flying directly back to me. I can see it now coming back. Well, say coming back to me, it's not coming back to me, it's going back to the waypoint that I chose there. But there we go, and we have made it. Waypoint has, there we are, waypoint complete. Yep, there we are, stop at the specified waypoint, perfect. Come back to me. I've got a gentleman that's just entered the field, so I'm going to down this bird for a second until he gets from it to a safe distance from me, and then we'll take the quad back up and we'll go from there. But so far, first test, very, very good. Okay, so waypoint test 2, we're going to go in a totally different angle now. So once again, maintaining our line, so the quadcopter is pointing out in front, so I'm going to stand in the same place, open up our waypoints app, and then from here, I'm just going to do a straight line in front of me and a straight line back, and that's it. And then click send. And then the quad, actually let me take it up a little bit higher, I haven't stuck to my 10 meter, there we go, so we're at 11 meters there. So then the quad will fly out, and then it'll get to its destination, and then it'll turn around, and it'll come straight back. Now what I'm looking for, I'm keeping my eye on the quad, I'm keeping my eye on the video as well, because obviously the tree line is quite close. There we go, turning itself around. And it comes straight back. It doesn't even turn around and then wait and then accelerate. It literally, as it's turning, it banks and then just comes straight at you like a bat out of hell, like a box of crazy bees. There we go, and we're almost there. My location has just been hit, there we go, and I am, a distance point of view, I am 26 meters away from the quad now, but that's not too bad, or 26 foot, one of the two. I can never tell with this app. I can never tell, I always forget what it's set in. It's either meters or foot. Chances are that's going to be foot actually, because 26 meters is a lot further distance than that. There we are, perfect. Right then my friends, I think we're going to call that a day there for waypoints. We've successfully tested waypoints, we know how to do it. We've got our basic rules. If the quadcopter points in one way, then you fly that way, and you point that way as well rather, and that's the way that you're guaranteed. If anything should go wrong, you can maintain, you can grab control of the quad and you can bring it back successfully. All right then my friends, thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit that bell too. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time my friends, happy flying.